Alright guys, so it's about 5 in the morning right now. And today I'm gonna make a video to never ever pull fire alarms for fun. Okay, it's not a good idea. Because if you pull a fire alarm for fun, you could get into a lot of trouble, so don't do it. So don't ever do something like this. That's not okay. You can get into a lot of trouble, and do not see that just scares people. They'll get startled by the loud one. It's responsible for panic. And also do not tamper with these, because I've seen people that you just take keys out of the yard wall and open up a whole station like that. That's tampering. I mean, you can't do that. You cannot hold them. You cannot tamper with them. So it is not smart. It's not a good idea, and it will get you in a lot of trouble. So don't open up whole station don't open up whole station and do something like this. Doing that can actually set the alarm off. So don't do it. Don't do this to a position. Just leave the fire alarm alone. See, I never pull fire alarms for fun. You never tamper with them. If you pull a fire alarm for fun, you're gonna get arrested by police. Now, if there's a fire in the building, you want to alert people, then yes, pull it, because you want to alert people that they must evacuate and leave the building because of a fire. But if you're doing this as a joke or a prank, that's not good. Because if you pull a fire alarm for fun, you might be responsible for that false fire alarm that you pulled. And the fire department had to respond to that false fire alarm you pulled, that there could be a real emergency somewhere else. So yeah, you will get into a lot of trouble if you pull down fire alarms for fun and tamper with them. Yeah, never ever pull down fire alarms for fun. Never tamper with them. Never tamper with fire alarms in public buildings, because it's not a good idea. So don't ever do it. So do not take the alarm off the wall. Don't take this thing off like this. Don't do it. Don't mess with the candela if it's on 15 candela. Do not switch it to 30, 60, 75, 110. Just leave these things alone. Don't take this thing off. Don't do it. Just leave these things alone, because you might get into trouble if you mess with the alarm. If you break it, you get into trouble as well. And you have to pay for $1 million if you break it. So yeah, never ever pull fire alarms for fun in public buildings. You only pull these if there's a real emergency, or if you have permission to pull it for a fire drill or a fire alarm test. So I remember back in high school when I went to the main office with the principal, and they said we were gonna conduct a fire drill. So yeah, and I got permission to pull it, which was pretty cool. So yeah, never pull these for fun in public buildings ever, because you will get into a lot of trouble if you do this. You only pull these for fun if you have your own fire alarm at home. So yeah, don't do something like this in public. That is against the law. That'll be it.